left to me. Tired of toxic traits, now worth the wait. Hey, wake up and realize I wasted so much time. I picked up pieces even though it can be fixed. It can be fixed. Should have left you from the start. I'm feeling low and weak, I'm losing energy. I run away, they say what's left to me. All these toxic traits, not worth the wait. To me, tired of toxic traits, now worth the wait. Hey, wake up.